need exercise. Cannot just stay on, do nothing. Because stretching exercises actually help you to build up, to restore back your motions. Okay, it helps to restore and work up, build back your flexibility and the strength of your muscles. So body works like that. Because of stiffness, this is due to because of workloads, lifestyle problems. That's why they end up with muscle stiffness. Everything pull up tight there. So what you do, you just need to release it. Once you release it, they feel okay already. And then of course go back, you got to shift your bad habits definitely. Yeah, you need to shift all the bad habits. That's why I say I came up with this stretching exercise for you. You do it at home only. You follow my program, it only takes up you about 10 to 15 minutes to complete the whole exercise. You do that, it will make you sweat. I guarantee you. Okay, I dare to say, if you do it correctly, I guarantee whatever I have in that program, that technique are suitable for everyone, for all kids, youngsters, and even elderly can do it. Any pains, any kind of injuries, whether or new injury, old injury, how severe also you can use it. Even scoliosis patients, very severe, right? They need to do that exercise, that stretching, because that exercise is not just a normal, like yoga exercise. No, it's different. This one I designed it in a way that it work along with the alignment, the body alignment. I trigger direct impact to those areas, those important points or areas that I want. So it works directly, instant effect. That's why I say, whatever stretch you do in the program, okay, it make you sweat, it make your heart pump. Then only your organ can work along. So you need that. Your brain need air. Okay, you need a healthy heart pumping to give you a healthy mind. It circulates your whole body chi and redefine your whole body circulations, your blood circulations. That's why this stretching, it makes you sweat, it eliminates all the pains that you have been having because of muscle pulling, the tightness of your body, the pulling, the numbness, the swelling of your body, the clots, the retentions that gave you all these pains. So with this stretching, it works every day.